this line of code?
First, let's take a look at the initial structure of the code. We have a student object with a single record, having an id of 1 with a name set to unknown and an age of 18. We use this function to retrieve the name of the student with ID 1 and log it using console log. Thanks to the optional chaining operator, we ensure that no error is thrown if the returned object is undefined. If we try to retrieve a student that doesn't exist, like the one with ID 2, it will return undefined. Moving on to the next section of the code that performs a series of mathematical calculations. It starts by adding 1 to the variable x and performs several arithmetic operations involving the math ceil and math floor functions. Next, we move on to a series of conditional checks that seem to be done on an object. However, this code is not functional in its current state because it lacks the proper context where this would have the appropriate attributes. If we modify these checks to use the student object declared at the beginning directly, it would work better. Finally, at the end of the code, checks are made to see if the student is armed and, perhaps, the type of weapon, a knife or a gun. That's a quick overview of this GitHub code, full of conditions and calculations. It's always important to understand the context in which code is executed, especially when references to this are used. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or I will kick your ass, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.